Hello, we are Redconst. We build profitable self-service car washes that combine innovation with reliability. We have completed over 180 car washes in Poland, the Czech Republic, Slovakia and Germany. Investors can count on our comprehensive service, from selecting a location, through design, construction, car wash delivery, installation, training, service and after-sales support. Redconst car washes can be equipped with photovoltaic panels on the roof. This results in significant energy savings and consequently lower costs. The annual return on investment for a Redconst car wash can reach up to 30%. Using our systems is very simple and intuitive. See how it works. Our panels can feature a color LCD display. We focus on clear and transparent communication with customers. By pressing the buttons, they can choose from various programs: undercarriage wash, wheel cleaning, active foam, main wash, brush wash, rinsing, waxing, shining. Customers can pay with cash, card or by scanning a QR code in the Redpoint loyalty platform. The brush wash program is secured with a dry wash prevention lock. The brush can only be removed after payment. A Redconst car wash not only cleans but also cares for the vehicle. The active foam effectively softens dirt, while the foam brush gently removes all contaminants. The touchless washing process eliminates the risk of scratches, and precisely tailored programs ensure comprehensive vehicle cleaning. Thanks to innovative technologies, washing a car becomes a real pleasure. Additionally, by investing in a Redconst car wash, you contribute to environmental protection. The entire washing process is optimized for electricity, gas, and water consumption. It is also possible to install a wastewater treatment system, enhancing the eco-friendly image of the car wash. A Redconst car wash not only utilizes the most modern equipment, but also meets the European Blue Deal and Green Deal directives. A special wheel cleaner spray ensures precise cleaning and protection against corrosion for all types of rims. Customers also have the option to wash the vehicle's undercarriage. Our car washes can be equipped with dedicated zones for washing vans and trucks. Thanks to the installed structure, customers can easily wash the roof. Each of our car washes features technical rooms where the heart of the touchless car wash is located. Chemical dosing systems, hydraulic and pneumatic systems, control cabinet with software. Inside the technical room, there is also a coin suction system that collects money into a secure vault. The technical containers are equipped with automatic change machines, providing convenience for those who prefer traditional payment methods. Heat dry zone can be configured according to the investor's individual needs. Our offer includes vacuum cleaners, tire blackening spray, ozonator, fragrance dispenser, car dryers, windshield washer fluid dispenser, upholstery washing machine, car mat washer. We also specialize in comprehensive modernization of existing facilities. Funding for our car washes can be obtained through leasing or innovation grants. Redconst is a leader among car wash manufacturers of the future. We create technological innovations that clean efficiently and sustainably. Let's work together.